First things first, I am applying some moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin is the key for a good base. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. After the moisturizer is set, I am applying some primer. I am going to concentrate the primer mainly in the T-zone. The primer that I am using here is by Inside Cosmetics. All the products are listed in the description box below. Next, I am applying peach corrector on my dark circles. Wherever I feel the need to color correct, I am going to apply the peach corrector. If your makeup turns grey afterwards, it is because you don't color correct. Of course, it is one of the many reasons behind makeup turning grey. I am setting the corrector with some loose powder. Next, I am applying foundation with a beauty blender. I am going to drag it on my neck. To highlight my face, I am using a concealer. The trick here is to wait for 2 minutes after applying it. Then you blend it so that you can have a good coverage. I am going to blend it on my eyelids also so that I can have a base for my eyeshadow. I am setting it with some loose powder. You don't have to use much. Next, I am contouring my face with Swiss Beauty contour palette. I am using a powder contour here. If you are a beginner in makeup, you should practice with powder products. Double chin or not, you have to contour your jawline so that it doesn't look flat in the light. I am using a small brush to contour my nose. You can also contour under your lower lip. Next, I am applying powder blush. With the help of a fan brush, I am applying highlighter. I am brushing my eyebrows downwards with the help of a spoolie. To fill them in, I am using an ash grey colored eyebrow pencil. Next, I have brushed them upwards and filling in the sparse areas. Next, I am applying some eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow primers are used when you want your eye makeup to last long. Also, it shows the true color of your eyeshadow. I am using this shade as a transition shade. To blend this, I am using a big fluffy brush. The brushes should be according to the size of your eyes. Next, I am using this brown shade. I am going to create a fake crease with this. When you have hooded eyes, you have to create a fake crease. I am using a smaller blending brush for this. For my lids, I am using a loose pigment by MAC in the shade Tan. I am using a flat brush for this. I have mixed the pigment with a Fix Plus spray. Next, I am using this dark brown shade on my outer corner. I am going to concentrate this shade only on the outer corner. It will define my eyes. I am using the same shade on my lower lash line with an angular brush. I am taking this color only till the middle of my lower lash line. Next, I am tight lining my eyes. I have applied liquid eyeliner at the end of the video. For some reasons, I could not film it. I am smudging the kohl on the waterline. Next, I am curling my lashes with an eyelash curler. If you have straight lashes like me, it makes a lot of difference. Next, I am applying some mascara. I am not using falsies here. For my lipstick, I have combined two lip shades here. I have mentioned the two in the description box below. So this is the final look. Do let me know how you've liked this video in the comment box below. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.